In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively remove and re-add page numbers in a document. This is a simple yet essential skill that'll come in handy whether you're crafting a formal report or just want to make your booklet look polished. Let's dive right in. First, we'll tackle how to remove those page numbers. Start by double-clicking on the page number that you can see on your document. This action will take you into the header or footer area where the page numbers are located. You might notice a slight change in the layout, indicating that you're now in the editing mode for headers and footers. It's important to note that this step makes the numbers editable, which is exactly where we want to be, to make changes. Next, after you've successfully accessed the section with the page numbers, place your cursor just to the right of the page number itself. This is crucial because for our next step, deleting the page number, your cursor needs to be positioned correctly. With your cursor in place, go ahead and press the backspace key on your keyboard. You'll see the page number vanish from view. It's a small but satisfying step that gets us closer to our goal. Now that the page numbers are gone, our next move is to exit out of the header or footer area. This is simply done by clicking anywhere off the document, more specifically to the side of the document. By doing so, you'll notice that the headers and footers will no longer be in editing mode, and the document returns to its normal view without those numbers. But let's say you've had a change of heart and decided that those page numbers were indeed crucial. No worries at all. We can add them back in a few simple steps. Start by heading to the top of your document where the menu bar is located and click on Insert. The menu bar is usually home to a wide range of options, but our focus here is on adding those page numbers back. Within the Insert menu, you'll find a selection labeled Page Numbers in the drop-down. Clicking on this will present you with options to not just add page numbers, but customize their position and layout too, depending on what best fits your document. After making your choice, you'll see the page numbers reappear right where they belong, and there you have it, a straightforward way to manage the visibility of page numbers in your document. Whether you're preparing for printing or just tidying up your work, these steps ensure your document looks exactly as you intended. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on document management. See you in the next video.